Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? Okay, I hope all of you in a good condition, and don't forget to keep your health and also keep following the health protocols, and don't forget to wear masks when you will go to outside. Before we start our online class today, we have to pray first by Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, today our material is about the human circulatory system and its functions. The human body is nourished by blood, which distributes an oxygen, which is called the circulatory system. The circulatory system has a very important and vital role in the human body. The circulatory system has a working system starting from transportation to the disposal process, so that the body works optimally. The circulatory system, also known as cardiovascular system, as an organ system that functions to move various substances and from the body cell. Not only distributing nutrients, the circulatory system also distributes oxygen and carbon dioxide. To understand the circulatory in other humans, here I'm going to describe in full an explanation of the circulatory system and how it works and its functions. Okay, the next is human circulatory system. The circulatory system or cardiovascular system is a system that functions to distribute oxygen and nutrients from the heart to the rest of the body. The circulatory system also functions to remove dioxide and metabolic waste from the body through the lungs, distribute hormones and body temperature throughout the body evenly. It also functions to maintain the organ system performance and help the body to recover. Okay, the next is how the circulatory system works. Here, the circulatory system divides into three systems, namely the first is the systematic system, the second is pulmonary system, and the third is coronary system. Okay, systematic system is the process of blood circulation begins at the moment when blood flows from the two atria or the two upper chambers of the heart to the ventricles or to the lower chambers. Then, next to the phase of the ejection period, which is the process of both ventricles pumping blood into large arteries. The second is pulmonary system. The pulmonary system functions to pump blood from the right ventricles, but with low oxygen levels is pumped into pulmonary arteries. In the pulmonary arteries, blood flows branches into smaller arteries and capillaries. In this process, carbon dioxide is released from the blood into pulmonary vesicles and fresh oxygen enters two blood streams. And the third is coronary system. In the coronary system, the circulatory system supplies the oxygened blood. Blood with high oxygen flow to the heart so that the heart can function properly. In the coronary system, blood flows to supply the heart muscle. Coronary arteries carry oxygenated blood to the heart muscle. Okay, the next is circulatory system components. The circulatory system works due to constant pressures from the heart and valves throughout the body. This pressure ensures that the veins carry blood to the heart and the arteries to return it to the heart. There are several main components in circulatory system. Blood requires the heart to pump blood throughout the body, while the blood in the body will remain in the blood vessels, namely in small vessels and large vessels. Without the circulatory organs, blood cannot flow to the body. For this reason, the following are some of the main components of the human circulatory system, including the first is heart. The heart is one of organs of the circulatory system, which is located in the chest cavity, or rather between the lungs. The heart has an oblique position so that the point and or apex points downwards towards the left pediphyll and the tip points upward toward the right shoulders. Okay, the next is blood vessel. Blood vessels are blood vessels that follow throughout the body from the heart to body tissues and vice versa. Blood vessels divided into three types, namely arteries, veins, and capillaries. Okay, the next is arteries. Arteries are blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to capillaries. Blood vessels function to carry blood, the heart to the rest of the body. Arteries deliver oxygen and nutrients to all cells, transport waste substances such as carbon dioxide, maintain the balance between the mobility or proteins, chemicals, cells, and elements of the immune system. The next is capillaries. Capillaries are small blood vessels with diameter of approximately 5 until 10 meters. Although small in size, the number of capillaries is large, so that the entire cross-sectional area of blood flows increases. Capillaries connect arteries and veins, which are the site of exchange of substances, absorption of nutrients in the intestine, filtration in the kidneys, and absorption of glandular secretions. The last is veins, function to transport carbon dioxide and transport blood from all over the body to the heart. Veins carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Thus the lungs can receive oxygen and can work properly. Okay, the next is disorders of the circulatory system. Here are some of disorders of circulatory system that usually occur in the human circulatory system, such as anemia or lack of blood, then arteriosclerosis, and then atherosclerosis, embolus, blockage, thrombus, varices, and then there is hemorrhoids, hemophilia, leukemia of blood cancer, and the last is coronary heart disease. Okay everyone, after Miss Anna explains the circulatory system and its functions, I will divide you into two groups. Each group consists of 3 students, and in the next meeting, you have to practice with your group. Okay, I will divide it. The first group is Veronica Tambubolon with Marita and also Kinara Mahendra. And the second group is Hario Aji with Tama Ralia and also Arifa Renata. And the assignment is for the first group, what are the causes of coronary heart disease? And then what is mean of anemia disease? And for the second group, how to prevent interference with blood circulation, and mention the 4 chambers in the human heart. Okay everyone, before we close our online class today, I will give conclusion. Disorder of the circulatory system is a dangerous condition that cannot be underestimated. If not treated immediately, the condition can lead to serious complications such as organ damage and even death. Therefore, it is important for everyone to always maintain a healthy circulatory system by implementing a healthy lifestyle, such as exercising regularly, eating nutritious foods, limiting salt and fat intake, not smoking, and maintaining an ideal body weight. In addition, to ensure that the condition of the blood circulatory system remains smooth, you also need to undergo regular medical check-up to the doctor. Or you can also ask to the doctor if you still have questions about the human circulatory system. Okay everyone, the time is up. And don't forget about your assignment for the next meeting. And as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.